Hello folks, this is Uwe here, back with another BTC update. So yeah, in this video I will be updating about my thoughts on BTC. Actually, I was not that much active on here on YouTube because I was super busy these days, but yeah, I was active on my X and I was keeping updates here. So yeah, and they are going really well. For BTC, I was anticipating a higher low region between 85 to 83k, and that played out really good. If I show you what chart is this, BitGet. Okay, BTC USDT BitGet. If I move to the smaller time frame, and here we are. Yeah, we have such a beautiful reaction at this region here, and I have also built a long at this position. I was unfortunately I missed my entry here, and then I catch this move here on my public Twitter. I will also show that. And for the USD dominance, I was anticipating a reversal from here into the yellow box, and just boom, let's see this. If I show you the rectangle, just look at this precision, man. Okay, and we have rejected beautifully from the yellow box, which is a really good sign. And now I will be updating what are my next plans on BTC. In fact, I have also longed what are the targets for this long here. This long was also on my X. If I show you, so yeah, here it is, about some more BTC at this point, and now we are really good level. So if you are not on my X, don't forget to follow me. Okay, this is my username, Uwe Trades, because you are missing very beautiful content if you are not here on my X. Now it's done with the promotion. So now let's start with the chart. Okay, let's starting from the clear BTC chart, starting from the monthly time frame. So we have dropped on the 1st of the December as the monthly opens, which is a really good sign. Okay, we have formed a lower wick on the monthly time frame in the start of the month, which is a really good sign. Actually, I don't want to see the price pump on the 1st of the month and then keep bleeding for the rest of the month to form the lower wick, which is not a good sign in my opinion. So yeah, dropping on the in early month or early weeks leads us to the formation of higher wick. Okay, as you can see, we have formed a lower wick here, and now what we do, forming a higher wick. Okay, and for that price has to go higher, definitely that would happen. So starting from the monthly time frame, nothing that much here. We have just get the monthly open. Oh man. Okay, so yeah, we have monthly open here, and price has flipped it today. Moving to the weekly time frame, we have a nice level here, previous week low. Okay, this was the previous week low. Okay, in fact, let me draw a monthly range here, weekly range, sorry. This was our last week range. This was the last week range, and we have sweep this range low, this previous week low, and we are above the range mean of the previous week range and heading toward what, this level here. Okay, the weekly high, previous week high. Moving to the daily time frame to make it more clear. Okay, so yeah, we have sweep the previous week low here. What's the next point of liquidity? Previous week high. Okay, so yes, price can sweep this level here, but now here comes the important thing. Okay, so yeah, here comes the important thing. Monthly open here, and now currently we are, if we do something like this, it is okay to do something like this, testing this level, claiming back, and then going up. Okay, well, that's irrelevant. I will update this on my Twitter tomorrow. So yeah, for now, in a longer picture, what I want to see is a claiming back of this level. Okay, I don't want a deviation of this level here back in this range. At that point we will be having this daily flat bottom or the range mean. Okay, at least price will drop into range mean and then the flat bottom, but that is an exceptional case. I don't think so that will happen. Like, there is less probability of that playing out, keeping the context of the market in the view. What I am seeing is a breakout here and then much higher prices into the 105k resistance into this region here, 105k, 110 into this region here. Just make it more calm for you. Yes, into 107k to 105k region, into these regions here. Okay, so yeah, if we break out from this range we are heading toward here, but first we have to do this breakout or holding back of this level, not a deviation, because in case of deviation we will again see some week of bleeding, but don't worry, there's less chance of doing so. So yeah, that's it for BTC. Now moving to the Ethereum. Okay, I am only seeing one level on Ethereum, just one level. Okay, nothing more fancy charting than nothing that much. We are also long on Ethereum on my X. It's a swing position, target 1 this, target 2 range high, target 3 for the much higher prices. So yeah, let me explain you that level I am seeing. Actually I have long the bottom of Ethereum, so listen to me what I am saying. We have this range from 2021, okay, and we are always respecting this deviation, a fall, a deviation and a rally, support from the mid-range, rally, okay, again support from the mid-range, rally, deviated mid-range, deviated range high, a drop. Okay, so now what I am seeing is a claim back. If I move to the daily time frame you can see it more clearly. Okay, what I want to see is a claim back of this mid-range range mean here. Okay, something like this, and then if you see we have a beautiful rejection from this level. In fact I have mentioned this level in my tweet as well, beautiful rejection, and now price is again coming to test that level, and yeah, I want to see price to hold this level back, and then at that point we will also claim the yearly open and move toward the more highs here. Okay, towards our target one. Now why am I saying that we are going to hold back weekly open if we claim this weekly mid-range? Simple is that because the yearly open is of 2025. Okay, is the current month yearly open, and the range mean is from 2021, which is more hard level for the price to claim. And if we claim that, price would definitely have enough potential for us to claim back weekly yearly open. So now what you should do here as a listener, mark out this level here, 3073. If you get a daily close above there, enter stop loss in these regions here, targeting range high or this region. Okay, or just go and follow me on my Twitter and I will keep you updated there. For me, I will personally add if we hold back the range mean. Okay, so this is just one level for me on Ethereum. For me, for Bitcoin it is this level, for Ethereum this level, in fact BTC. Okay, looking at the current scenario, only one scenario, I'm telling you only one scenario, and if this plays out, really good. If not, I am a trader, not a fortune teller. I will change my plan and react according to that. For Ethereum this is this, and for USD dominance, yeah, I mean we got a support here, supply region here on the 4-hour time frame, and price is failing to hold that. I don't want to see these kind of reactions on USD dominance. We are failing to hold that. I think we will drop much more because my precision on USD dominance stock itself. and if we drop more, definitely BTC would pump more into these regions, and all the alts as well. So yeah, dominance is going good. We have for the, in fact, in dominance, if I show you, we have sweep the previous week high, okay, into the resistance, and a retest of the resistance as well, okay, and a beautiful rejection from there. So that adds to my point that we are getting again bearish on USD dominance, which is a good sign for the markets. So yeah, that's it for the market update. I think you have got a macro view of the market, or even the micro view of the market, and make your plans according to that. And if you don't understand the video, go and watch back, mark these levels out on your chart. And if you found this video helpful, just comment, subscribe, and share to the channel. Okay, thank you very much. Leave a like. Bye bye.